Hi there, welcome to BA Consulting Pro. My name is Ajay Kumar, and in this video, you'll get to know about Microsoft Fabric. Well, Microsoft Fabric is becoming a very popular software as a service platform for end-to-end data analytics. But what is it? How to get started with it, or how to get certified in it? Well, if you are also bothering with these kinds of questions, then this video is for you. If you would like to know more, please stay tuned with me till the end of this video, and I'm going to let you know everything about it. Before we move further, if you are over here for the very first time, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also hit the bell icon so that you are always stay up to date with our latest videos and contents. Now, the very first question comes into our mind: what is Microsoft Fabric? Well, whether you are a BI developer, data analyst, data scientist, AI engineer, or maybe a data engineer, then this software is a service platform for you. This is end-to-end data analytics platform where you can fulfill your all the end-to-end data analytics needs. Whether it's just extracting the data from a source or ingesting into a lakehouse or a data warehouse, or maybe you would like to get insights from the data and you want to visualize it using Microsoft Power BI. All the different experiences you can experience on this software as a service platform introduced by Microsoft. This has been launched in October last year in general. However, this was also in preview about May or June last year. Now, the question comes, why should you go for it? Well, if you are an organization or even an individual, you always generate data, and data is a treasure. Data is the most precious commodity nowadays. And if you want to make data-driven decisions, then you need a team who can get insights out of that. That means whether you're going to need a BI developers, data analyst, data engineer, data scientist, or AI engineers to make data-driven decisions for you, or you can make the data-driven decisions using the insights generated by your team. You may also need to store your data somewhere, and then you have to run certain analysis on the top of that. So in this AI world, we are going towards the Gen AI, and we want to automate most of the things. Also, we really don't want to depend on the core IT teams where only the programmers can work on it. That's why this software as a service platform is going to help you out. Now, let's get to the basics first. If you really want to get started with Microsoft Fabric, how you can do it? Well, first of all, as you can see on your screen, you can come to this page, and over here you are going to find how to get started with Microsoft Fabric, how you're going to get started with the trial, and also there are going to be some frequently asked questions over here that you can get answers to. Now, coming to the second point, if you really want to focus on Microsoft documents, which I always highly encourage you to go through the documentations, there's another series, Get Started with Microsoft Fabric. There you can learn everything by yourself. There are certain labs, exercises as well, and whenever we create the videos, we also use the Microsoft documentations because it's a single source of truth for us from where we can get the right information. And then on the top of that, we can add our experiences. That's how we create the video tutorials for you. Similarly, if you want to get Microsoft Fabric certified or you want to become a certified Microsoft Fabric Analytics Engineer Associate, then there is a certification, and for that you have to clear DP600 exam. How you can clear it? Well, first of all, you have to schedule your exam. You have to learn everything about it. There are different topics. Please go through that. Also, you would get some mock exams over here if you really would like to take the practice assessment. Then you can also do certain exercises, and not only that, you can schedule it from here. You can check for your country how much it's gonna cost you, and everything is over there. Now, if you would like to read more resources, those are also being provided over here by Microsoft. But here at BA Consulting Pro, we understand your needs, and we also know that you really need someone who can tell you and who can explain the things for you. That's why we have created specially crafted video tutorials for you. Over here, you would see the first series is just a Fabric tutorial, but please keep in mind that when we created this series, there were certain topics which were in preview, which may be now generally available with add-on some of the additional features over there, but you can still go through this, and this is one of the finest series. Next to that is the Microsoft Fabric certification, and if you really would like to get certified, then this series has been crafted only for you. You can go through all that episode, all the exercises, and also the links given in the descriptions for the different labs and exercises which are being provided by Microsoft. So please take the advantage of that. Also, do share these videos and resources with your friends and colleagues who would like to learn more about Microsoft Fabric, or the one who would like to get Microsoft Fabric certified engineer. Now you know everything about Microsoft Fabric. You also know each and every of the resources, where to go, what to do, and how to learn. Then what's the next? Well, if there's going to be any more updates in Microsoft Fabric, we are going to create a series with the name Microsoft Fabric Updates, where I'm going to create more and more videos on all the latest features, updates that are coming in. Secondly, you can join our Q&A sessions. You can also join our live sessions that we conduct with the industry experts who are already working on, or who are MVPs, or who are maybe the regional director or CEOs of some of the companies who are already implementing Microsoft Fabric. So for that, first you have to subscribe to our channel, and if you would like to join our Q&A sessions or the boot camps, for that you have to also register with us. If you would like to take advantage of specially crafted tutorials, then please consider joining our channel too. By joining this channel, you are supporting us. It takes a lot of time and efforts to create these video tutorials for you. And over here, our aim is just to help you to share the knowledge and to see you grow in your career. So with that small amount of fee, you can learn everything that you need to know to grow in your career. Finally, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and also share with your friends and colleagues and ask them to subscribe this channel. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring the world of data and stay tuned for more videos.